What's up guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about an unboxing and try on of a jacket from the brand Triple F.A.T Goose. If you guys are not familiar with the brand, it's actually a New Jersey based brand that was founded back in the 80s. And the acronym stands for Arctic temperatures. So all of the jackets are really warm and made for the cold weather. I actually grew up on the East Coast and remember seeing this brand in a lot of the stores around me, but wasn't able to afford it because of the price. It is on the pricier side just because of the quality, but I was able to get my hands on a jacket and I'm really excited to show you guys what it looks like, the different features of it, and how it fits. So the jacket that I got is called the Ellaria women's parka and it looks like this. I picked it out in the white colorway. I believe it also comes in black and navy and maybe charcoal, but it is a long parka with a fur hood. It's a goose down jacket that's really soft and I was actually surprised that it wasn't that heavy, being that it is like a bigger, longer jacket. And then the closure is also a zipper down closure, but what's cool about it is that it has these like magnetic, they're almost like buttons, but they're like inside that like snap close. So that's a nice touch because you don't have to like actually do the buttons. It's kind of like it just snaps on when you zip it up. And that goes the same for the pockets in the front. They're also the magnetic button closure. And the inside, what's really nice is that it has this like drawstring in here that you can tighten to kind of like give it more shape and more form when you're wearing it. And then on the other side, there's like a little pocket on the inside with a zipper closure. This jacket is really, really warm. I'll put it on for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like on. The jacket fits really nice. It also has this like stretchable Lycra hand warmers here too with the thumb holes. I think that's a really nice touch. You can either wear it like this or just take your thumb out and just like push it up to your wrists. I got the jacket in a size extra small and it fits really well. This is the smallest size. There's also like kind of like a fleece lining right here that kind of keeps your neck warm. But this jacket and this brand is all about keeping you warm for like really extreme weather conditions. I live in LA, but I do get really cold in the winter time, even though it's not even comparable to the East Coast, but I do go back to the East Coast probably like once a year to visit family. So whenever I do go, then I'm definitely gonna be bringing this jacket. I don't really like big jackets that just like weigh me down, just because it makes it really uncomfortable to wear. But this one is very comfortable. The length is really good too. It probably ends like right under my knees. I'll show you guys a clip of a like lookbook video that I shot in Big Bear last weekend. I went to the mountains for a little weekend trip and I wanted to bring this jacket to kind of try it out and see if it'll keep me warm, and it definitely did that. And this brand is really known for not only the functionality but also like the style of it. They have a lot of different options for jackets, like different silhouettes. They have like long parkas and like short puffer jackets too for any cold weather occasion. The prices are pretty expensive. They range from like $400 to $800, I would say. They use materials that will actually keep you warm, and these jackets are meant to last a lifetime, so you honestly just need to buy one and you're good. I like that all of their designs are in very neutral colors like black, white, gray, and green. I think these jackets are good for people that, one, want to stay warm, obviously, and two, that really value quality and style. I'm really happy with this jacket and I like that I got it in a white colorway because all of my jackets are in black. So this is a nice little change. I love the fur hood too and the fact that you can just take it off if you don't want to wear it. But it's a really nice touch and it's super cute. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video with a lookbook clip of me wearing the jacket up in Big Bear in the snow, so you guys can see exactly like how it fits, obviously because I can't really show you right now full length. In the clip you'll see how it fits and kind of how I styled it for the mountains. Enjoyed this video, and if any of you guys are shopping this brand and have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below and hopefully I can help you in any way that I can. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.